Hey everyone, Dan here. Before we get into it, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, it helps a lot. And also keep in mind that these are my own thoughts, opinions, and ideas. These are not meant to be, nor should you take them as investment or trading advice in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence, put in the work for yourself, and make your decisions based on that. I hope that you're enjoying the series. I'll put the link in the description below to the entire series if you'd like to catch up on any videos that you missed or start from the beginning.
All
Enjoy.
right, folks. So we are about a half hour before market close on Wednesday, August 25th. Wanted to check in on the little account today. So I just have one position remaining. I'll take you through what happened with the others. We're down a little bit on this CM Life Sciences, but I'm contemplating just letting it continue to ride out at the moment. I don't know if there's a ton of danger in this one, but to that same notion, there might not be a ton of upside, but there's only 20 bucks wrapped up in it. So, if that's 20 bucks that I would just leave in cash anyway, then so be it. Now, I just have, Thursday, Friday left at this point, but I do have 2 day trades that I'll probably use tomorrow. Today got quite hectic for me, so I didn't have a ton of time to come in and do stuff that I wanted to do intraday, but my goal is still to get to 120 by the end of the week. So pretty ambitious feeling at this point. But let me take you through the ones that got filled today. So basically, I had waited for Tattooed Chef and Jumia and Mara to come up. I was just kind of patient with them and was able to sell each of them for profits. I certainly could have caught more, but I just waited for them to get up about over 2%, I think, on all of them. Maybe not so much on Mara. And then I set a trailing stop loss of 1 or 2% on them, and just let those hit as they would. But these were pretty good today. If we look, I mean, I could have held them longer throughout the day, but I wanted to lock in profit. Jumia up 8%, Tattooed Chef over 4%, and what was the other one? Mara. Mara was having a bit of an up and down day. So right now, less than 1%, but it had a nice run up, as you see here, from 36.77 all the way up to 38.99. So definitely had some good motion today. Unfortunately, had gotten beat up quite a bit in the pre-market, Mara, and so that set it behind the ball a little bit as it pertains to coming in with a big, strong green day, even though it had that nice run up. So, feeling okay about that. Honestly, I still felt like I had a bit of a hangover from yesterday's AMC debacle, which you can go back and watch yesterday's episode if you want, and you can see what happened there. But AMC continuing to hold strong at the moment. I'm going to stay away from it for the time being until I feel like I have a clearer head on, like, as it pertains to AMC specifically. But I'm sure I'll be back at some point because it had been a pretty solid winner for me previously. That W. So I thought for the overnights today, I would go back. So we have about $80 if we want to throw out there. And then tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to want to peel that back pretty early on, meaning I'm going to want to sell those positions pretty early probably. So I'll be looking for strong catalysts. And I want to sell those early because I want to deploy that capital into day trades that I'm hoping is going to get me to or very, very close to that 120 target that I have for the end of the week. So I'm thinking of going back to the earnings plays. So here we are, Wednesday, August 25th, and we have some decent earnings come out after hours, after market close. I can't afford these top 3, obviously. Alta fits the criteria. I don't know what they trade at. It could very well be out of my price range. Wow, I had no idea. Williams Sonoma, let's see. All these shopping stocks. Okay, this one kind of fits the criteria. NTAP. Man, everything is so expensive. Autodesk I've played before. Interesting. Ugh, for goodness sake. Box, PSTG. Okay, potentially box. Looking for a beat down here if you remember. This looks like good earnings could be priced in. PSTG, is that what it was? Okay, Ah, this one's too. It's been on a nice run. So I feel like good earnings, or sort of like even meeting earnings, could cause a sell-off potentially because they could be already priced in. ESTC. Okay. Zuo. It's come down from what? 1864. So it's come down about $2. Bullish crossover. Looks like it wants to come down, but it's a catalyst play. It's not a chart play. Okay. Interesting. What does this company do? Cloud-based software. Okay. And what's their deal? Slight loss, small revenue, big earnings expectations. Do they have any volume normally? Okay. Not the worst. Not the worst. Okay, GES. Is this Guess, like Guess Jeans? Wow. That's a good beat down there. What's their situation? About the same. Oh, that's a pretty big expectation. Okay. So they've run up a bit lately, but in the past, say, 3 months or so, it's a pretty big roll down in price. Okay, so Zuo and Guess potentially. Why is this ticker symbol so long? I don't want to go something so small. Revenue. Oh my goodness. 1.29 million in the world. SLQT. I mean, those could have really good reactions to earnings, but just not particularly for me. This is interesting because the MACD coming up so much as the price is falling, which is a play that I often like to play to begin with. Interesting. Bullish crossover 20 crossing over the 50 there. Price action above the 20 and the 50 now. Okay, and not terrible volume. Okay, SLQT leading the pack for me at the moment. Decent expectation. Pretty big beatdowns. Why is this getting beaten down so much? Around 812. Yeah, but why? So helpful. Oh, the stock is falling because there's a lot of volume. It's like, I feel like what it makes that sound like. So silly. To release, what in the world? I don't know. Definitely in the losers category. Current volume. Why are they talking about volume? Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what they're saying. The current volume of 2.2 million shares. I don't know. Maybe somebody knows. You can put it in the comments. I don't understand what they're trying to say about the volume. Feels like to me like maybe they don't know why it's plummeting and they're just wanting to write something. EDAP, no revenue, minus 100%. Okay. I don't know what that is all about. What in the world? Okay. All right. SLQT. Let's see what you're all about. I might regret this. Market buy for 2 of these puppies. Take up nearly a third of my account. We'll see what happens. Don't make me further away from that 120 goal, please. SLQT. 4:15 today, Wednesday the 25th. Okay, double check and make sure I have all my stuff right since I haven't done this in a while. Okay, so we'll see what happens there. We still have these puppies. Oh, it has here the earnings. Could expand this a little bit. Yeah. All right. Let's see what happens. And then tomorrow, before open, there's a bunch. Tomorrow's the 26th. Dollar General. Okay. Cody. Negative EPS. Dollar General and Dollar Tree. Both coming in tomorrow. Abercrombie and Fitch. Okay. What about Burl? What's the deal with that? No. That's so expensive. Saffum? Is that a farm? Sanderson Farms. Gotta be a food company, right? Not a real farm. Build-A-Bear. Some of the companies that are publicly traded really shock me. Oh, Build-A-Bear's been beaten down. Interesting. Our volume is pretty terrible. Okay. Okay. That's the beat down. And obviously it's shown the ability to run up significantly before. What did that run up to? $35. Okay. Bullish cross. MACD very extended at the moment. Terrible volume. Okay. I mean, it doesn't prevent it from running, though, it seems. I mean, there's a big run up there. 23.83 on 520. So ran up $12 in 12-ish days. It's not even trading days. Okay. MBUU. Too expensive for me. I guess we will get this. Yeah, not beaten down enough. Okay, RGS. Wow, that's a beatdown. It's like a 50%, right? Yeah. Holy moly. Interesting. What's their volume? I think I'm just going to have to, not worry about the terrible volume because I don't have a lot of other options. All right, so I feel like I have RGS as a potential. I feel like I have Titan for a potential. And then I feel like, Guess is a potential for this, what's the other one? Zuo. Man, what to do? What's the deal with Guess and Zuo again? All right, something about Zuo feels good, so I'm gonna do I want one or two of these? I want to go 2 Zuos, and then we'll go RGS. What do we have left? $22. We'll go 3 of these. See what happens. All right. All right, so here's my situation. Still holding CM Life Sciences. SLQT, bringing me green. The MOM. ZUO RGS. What was that? SLQT. ZUO and SLQT are tonight. And then tomorrow is RGS, right? So I have some excitement in the after hours. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Well, I certainly appreciate you watching, and I'm hoping that we have an exciting day tomorrow. So there might be a couple of videos that come out tomorrow, and hoping to sort of like distance myself from the maze of the recent days and get on a good path here. But that 120 goal is looming large at the moment, knowing that I just have Thursday, Friday to accomplish it. So I'll be looking strongly for some runners for tomorrow, some good setups for options trades. The runners I would just take as regular, just trade shares, and we'll see. We'll see what we can make happen tomorrow, but it's that'll be a big test. All right, folks, well, I hope your trading week is going well, and I will see you in the next video.